Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO iQOO Z10, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list, let's scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's tap on device unlocking and tap on fingerprint. If you've got a regular screen lock, you will be transferred to another step. If not, you have to add it right now. So let me choose the pattern, let me draw it, redraw it and confirm. Here we've got simply a notification content. It's up to you which option you prefer. Just mark it and tap on done. Let's tap on start enrollment, and here we've got our sensor, so let me put my finger on it, and now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition, of course. Alright, and tap on done. So here we've got the fingerprint section, and we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for. Here we can change animation styles and icon style. It's totally up to you. You can decide whether you want to show the fingerprint icon on the off screen, and the fingerprint list, that's the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it, add another fingerprint and verify fingerprints. Alright, so all we have to do right now is to check whether it is working. So let me lock the device. And here we've got the sensor, so let me put my finger on it, and as you can see the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.